This is our lithium battery for golf carts. Its cells are made of lithium iron phosphate, specially designed for golf carts, with the specs of 51 volt and 100 ampere. This series of products usually has a cycle life of up to 3,500 times and the discharge depth of 80%. The battery is much more lighter than lead acid, so very convenient for transportation, assembly, maintenance, and replacement. Currently, our lithium battery for golf carts has been deployed in many countries and regions. For instance, recently we just have shipped a batch of this kind of battery to Vietnam, one of our cooperating companies.
Hello guys, welcome to Tianneng booth. Now I'm going to introduce you our lead carbon battery. Look at this battery. This battery will have longer life. We have applied the latest technology by using the carbon material with super high specific area and high conductivity. We have suppress the sufficient of the negative electrode material. And we use the B4BS lead paste and composite ATM spacers to slow down the softening of the positive electrode material. And also we have applied the green alloy to delay the corrosion of the plate grips. By applying this technology, this lead carbon battery with the significant advantage such as low cost, higher reliability, the easy accessibility of the raw material, and high safety. This lead carbon battery can apply in the household energy storage scenarios. This battery, with a low cost against the lithium packs, it is about 50% and even only 30% if we consider the recycling value. And this battery with very good performance, it have a higher discharging and charging current. Use lead carbon battery with Tianneng. You will have a better and greener life. Thank you.